The Hibbent Premium one-click toilet seats are super designs made by the Hibbent team. They have as main functions quick release, easy cleaning and quick attach for toilet seats. It is quite close toilet seats. This toilet seat is easy installed on the toilet bowl. It comes complete with all the necessary parts. First, you have to insert the expanding nuts. Then, put on the one-piece mounting hinge base and screw the bolts. It adds stability and prevents shifting. Note that don't screw up at first time. Keep 1 mm allowance left. Our mounting base is one piece and the distance of the holes is constant. It is easy installed. You only put it on the holes and lock the bolts, so that you can adjust the seat and cover easy to match the outline of ceramics. Now, after matching, you have to screw bolt up and fix the support. It is solid seats available for more £400, made of 100% pure polypropylene which is non-absorbent, chemical and stain resistant. Finally, put on base cover, attach the seat cover and the installation is finished. This toilet seat has one click button at side. Press the side button to remove the seat from cleaning the nasty area between the seat mounting post. Simply press the button, open the seat and lift straight up. It is the soft close with seat and cover, close slowly and quietly without loud slamming, made of top quality.